Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Boeing 767-300ER aircraft in Delta's fleet. Delta Airlines operates 40 Boeing 767-300ER aircraft, primarily on international and premium transcontinental routes. Configured for 208 passengers across Delta One, Comfort Plus, and Main Cabin, these aircraft feature live flatbeds, seat-back entertainment, and high-speed Wi-Fi. With a range of 6,385 nautical miles, they excel on medium to long-haul flights while offering ample cargo capacity. Despite upgrades for sustainability and comfort, the aging fleet faces higher maintenance costs and will be retired by the mid-2030s, replaced by more fuel-efficient Airbus A330neo and Boeing 787 models. Delta Airlines operates the Boeing 767-300ER as a vital part of its long-haul fleet, offering versatility and efficiency. Here's an in-depth look at this aircraft. 1. Fleet size and usage. Delta currently operates 40 Boeing 767-300ER aircraft, primarily used for international flights and select premium transcontinental routes. These aircraft are valued for their extended range and operational flexibility, making them essential for routes to Europe, South America, and Asia. 2. Passenger capacity. The 767-300ER has a seating capacity of 208 passengers in Delta's three-class configuration. Delta One, 26 lie flat seats in a 1-2-1 configuration. Delta Comfort Plus, 18 premium economy-style seats with extra legroom. Main Cabin, 164 standard economy seats in a 2-3-2 layout. 3. Cabin features. The aircraft has been retrofitted with modern amenities, including updated LED lighting for a pleasant atmosphere, seat back screens with Delta Studio entertainment in all cabins, high-speed Wi-Fi for enhanced connectivity. Delta One seats with direct aisle access and fully live flatbeds for long-haul comfort. 4. Range and efficiency. The Boeing 767-300ER is an extended range aircraft capable of flying up to 6,385 nautical miles, 11,825 kilometers. This makes it ideal for medium to long-haul international routes. While older compared to newer aircraft, its fuel efficiency remains competitive with recent upgrades. 5. Cargo capacity. The 767-300ER is equipped with ample cargo space, accommodating up to 15,000 kilograms, 33,000 pounds, of cargo in addition to passenger baggage. This makes it an asset for routes with high cargo demand alongside passenger services. 6. Sustainability upgrades. Delta has invested in engine and system retrofits to enhance the fuel efficiency of the 767-300ER. By upgrading its Pratt & Whitney PW4000 engines and implementing operational improvements, Delta has reduced emissions and improved the aircraft's overall environmental footprint. 7. Operational history. Delta has operated the 767-300ER since the late 1990s. While these aircraft have served the airline reliably for decades, they are gradually being phased out as newer models, such as the Airbus A330-900neo and A321XLR, join the fleet. 8. Premium customer experience. The 767-300ER is frequently used on Delta Premium Select routes, offering passengers a more spacious and luxurious experience. The Delta One cabin, in particular, caters to business travelers with privacy partitions, personal charging ports, and enhanced bedding. 9. Challenges and limitations. Despite its reliability, the 767-300ER is an aging aircraft in Delta's fleet, which presents challenges. Maintenance costs. As these planes age, their maintenance requirements and costs increase. Noise and fuel economy. While upgraded, they remain less efficient compared to next-generation aircraft. Retirement plans. Delta plans to retire its 767-300ER fleet by the mid-2030s, replacing them with more fuel-efficient aircraft. 10. Future fleet strategy. Delta is transitioning to newer, more efficient models like the Airbus A330neo and Boeing 787 to replace the aging 767-300ER. This shift reflects Delta's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint and improving passenger experience while maintaining operational reliability on long-haul routes. The Boeing 767-300ER remains a workhorse for Delta, balancing passenger comfort and operational efficiency. While its retirement looms, its legacy as a cornerstone of Delta's international fleet is undeniable. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.